Looking for a mechanical keyboard that combines durability, portability, and customization? The HyperX Mechanical Keyboard is built to last with switches rated for 80 million keystrokes, ensuring you won't have to worry about wear even after intense daily use. Its compact tenkeyless design frees up desk space, giving you more room for your mouse and a cleaner setup. Crafted with a full aircraft-grade aluminum body, this keyboard stays solid and stable no matter how intense your gaming sessions get. The sturdy build resists flex and adds a premium feel that matches its high performance. Plus, the detachable USB Type-C cable makes it easy to pack up and take with you, whether you're heading to a tournament or working remotely. What really sets this keyboard apart is its balance of responsiveness and accuracy. With short travel distance and low actuation force, every keypress feels precise and satisfying. Rated for 80 million keystrokes, these switches deliver consistent performance that gamers and typists alike will appreciate. Comfort matters, too. The keyboard features two-step adjustable feet with 3-angle settings, 3 degrees, 7 degrees, or 11 degrees, so you can find the perfect wrist position for long hours at the desk. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in reducing fatigue and boosting your overall productivity. Customization is effortless with HyperX NGENUITY software. You can personalize dazzling RGB lighting effects, create macros, and switch into game mode to disable the Windows key for uninterrupted play. Onboard memory lets you save up to 3 profiles, so your settings stay ready wherever you go. Users from the United States have praised this keyboard for its satisfying click sound and versatile lighting options. One reviewer mentioned how it helped relieve shoulder stress when paired with their Logitech MX Ergo mouse, a testament to its ergonomic design and enjoyable typing experience. If you want a keyboard that delivers solid build quality, portable convenience, and advanced customization, the HyperX Mechanical Keyboard is worth a look. It's designed to enhance your gaming and work sessions with precision and comfort. Try the HyperX Mechanical Keyboard when you're ready to upgrade your setup. Experience the difference of a durable, responsive keyboard that adapts to your style and keeps pace with your performance.